Welcome, dear students. Civics Standard 6, Lesson number 2, Diversity in Society. Introduction. Diversity in society means a wide variety of the people living in a particular country. There are many languages, religions, cultures, customs and traditions in Indian society. This diversity is a mark of our rich cultural heritage. We live among people who speak different languages. Some languages spoken in our country are Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Gujarati, Urdu. In our country, people celebrate festivals in different ways. The modes of worship are also different. For example, Hindus goes to the temple for prayers, Muslim goes to the mosque for their prayers, Christians goes to the churches for their prayers. All these different communities in our country have lived together for many years, and a feeling of oneness has developed among them. This feeling of oneness leads to unity in Indian society. Diversity is our strength. To live with different groups is to experience coexistence. People belonging to different religion and speaking different languages live together. Coexistence helps to increase the level of understanding among the people. It acquaints us, means what? It makes us familiar with different traditions, customs and ways of life of people living around us. The principle of secularism. Indian society consists of people following different religions. Our constitution has made important provisions to ensure that all religious communities will have freedom to worship according to their faith and to help develop a feeling of mutual understanding. Mutual understanding means to have sympathy for each other. India is an important secular nation of the world. We have great linguistic and religious diversity in our country. Means what? Our country has a population of people following many different religions, and these people are speaking different languages too. Principles of secularism. No religion is recognized as the religion of our country. All religions are given same importance, and no religion is superior or inferior. Every person has freedom of worship as per their religion. There can be no discrimination among people on the basis of their religion. Opportunities for education, means of livelihood and government jobs are available to all. There are provisions in the Constitution for the protection of religious and linguistic minorities. Minorities means small group of people following a particular religion and speaking a particular language. The principle of secularism has helped to maintain religious harmony in Indian society. Thus, India is a country where many people belonging to different religions live in peace. Thank you.